St. Patrick's Day is just around the corner, so we're giving you all the green inspiration you need to celebrate. So all week long, we are pulling in Studio 5 food friends to get a taste of their green food traditions. And Courtney Rich is here in the hot seat today. So how did your family, or how do you celebrate St. Patrick's Day?
Well, it's evolved a little bit over the years with my kids because I started doing what my mom used to do for us. So she would do things where she would put a little food coloring in the milk or in the toilets.
That's cute. I haven't done that one.
We thought that was kind of fun. So I would do that for my kids. And then I thought, oh, it'd be so fun to do like green eggs and ham and make our pancakes green. So when my son was little, I tried the green eggs and it was like a hard no. Weston was not about to eat eggs that were green. He is just like, that is not happening. So it's evolved a little bit, and no surprise, I'm adding green to my desserts.
Okay, so, and you showed us your delicious sheep ham, but what other desserts do you like to add the green?
So I love doing cookies because they're just so easy. And one of my favorites is making my chocolate cookies. They're a thick, rich chocolate, and I usually put them with peanut butter chips.
Yeah.
They're so yummy, but I'll swap them out during this time of year and either do like the Andes mint pieces, and you can buy them already broken up, you know, the same ones you get on like in your receipt when you're at a nice restaurant.
Yes, they're delicious.
Also, Gigi has just these really fun green mint baking chips that you could add in as well.
Is it about the same flavor, would you say?
Yep, you would add like the same amount. You're gonna get a little bit more chocolate with these because they've got the chocolate coating. But I love this too because you're gonna get that beautiful pop of green, and you're really gonna see that against the chocolate cookie. And then I always throw in just some, you know, cute plates for the holiday seasons, and especially at not Thanksgiving, at St. Patrick's Day.
Give us a minute for that one, okay?
Oh my gosh, I'm
all right, so fun. So Weston was like, absolutely not on the green food, green desserts. We're okay with.
We're okay with a little green dessert. Yep, absolutely.
Okay, and what's your social channels for everybody who might not know?
So you're gonna find everything on Cake by Courtney on Instagram, and then all my recipes are on cakebycourtney.com. I've got a couple books, but if you can't get the book, no worries. Everything's on my website too.
Oh, yeah. Perfect. Thanks,
Gotta make sure you can get it.
Thank you.